Hey, what's up guys? This is Leo back at you with another product review. This time I have another wireless charger. Now I did do a video on a wireless charger just a short time ago. If you're interested in that one, definitely go check it out. I'll leave a link down in the description. Today this one is Humixx wireless charger. Humixx is a brand that makes several different accessories for cell phones. Now they also make earbuds, a selfie stick, a little mount for your car, this thing, and they might make one other thing that I'm just not quite thinking of. But basically the whole point of this is it's simplicity rather than luxury. Anyway, let's check this thing out. As you can see, it's got a picture of an iPhone 10 on it, so already straight to my heart with that one. The box is really nice, black and yellow. I kind of dig that. Now let's go ahead and unbox this thing. I have opened it, but not all the way. All right, boom, boom, boom. First thing we're greeted with, if you're happy with the product, go ahead and leave a happy little review on Amazon. They're also very open about how to reach them with the email address right there. And then we've got somewhat of a quick start guide here. Just basically talks about all the goodies and the specifications and the instructions and some notes. All right, let's check out what we came here for. Dun, 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 dun. All right, awesome. Just so you guys know, this did come in a little piece of paper here, like a little bag, but I went ahead and took that out. Here's the actual wireless charger itself. I think it looks really awesome. It's got a quality feel to it. If I were to compare this one to the Belkin that I've got, I want to say this one is a step up in the way it feels. It's got a little bit of weight to it. It's got a rubber band that goes around the outside here. Not a rubber band, but a circular rubber thing which keeps your phone from sliding around on it. I think that's really cool, something that my Belkin doesn't do. This is like some soft foam stuff in here. That's pretty cool. And then it's got the charge cord. We've got micro USB charger for it. And that's it. So now at this point, all that's left is to really test this thing out and see how well it does. Okay, now one thing I do want to point out is this is Belkin's right here. It comes with a charge brick. Now the one we're reviewing today only comes with the cord, so you're going to need your own brick. In my case, I'd probably use a 10 or 12 watt. This is just an Apple charge brick right here. For the demonstration purposes, I'm going to be plugging it into this little USB power hub thing. All right, let's plug it in. The right way, of course. Whoa, did you guys see that? Look at that. The base lit up twice. Let's unplug that and see that again. That was pretty cool. It was kind of blue colored. Hope you guys saw that. Awesome. That's another thing my Belkin doesn't do. Let me go ahead and grab my iPhone 10. Boom! Like magic! That is so awesome. Want to see it again? Of course you do. So cool. Now, one really cool thing about it is while it's charging, it kind of glows down there at the bottom. I think that's really cool. I read an Amazon review that said that this was super bright and it was annoying to them. It's not bright, guys. It's very dim. It looks really cool. There, I even closed my blinds so now you can see it even better. Look at that. You can barely see it. It's just really cool looking. I wouldn't really think that would bug anybody at all, honestly. It's just kind of a soft blue glow. Oh yeah, and no slippage, does not slide around. It stays in one spot really well. Now just for comparison's sake, this is the Belkin one that I unboxed the other day. Got quite a bit of views on it, and it does have a little ring-shaped thing here, but that's for the charging components inside. This is not really rubberized feeling. I mean, it's got some texture to it, but it's really slick. Also on the bottom, ignore that. That's like a magnet mount. I don't know who the heck put that on there. Probably one of my kids. So it's got rubber on the bottom, but again, not very sturdy. This thing slides all over the place. Like, I'll grab it by the cord, look. It does not stay in place. Now this one, the Humixx branded one, I hope I'm saying the name of this this company right. I'll take the cord, look. You can see the cord bending. It stays in one spot. It's awesome. Now guys, the point of this video was to just give you another option. There are other options out there for wireless charging besides just the big major companies. This is a good product. You can check them out. Amazon, they've got pretty good reviews on Amazon. Trust me, just go get it. It's inexpensive. If you want a charging solution for your iPhone 10, iPhone 8, iPhone 8 Plus, or any other Qi charging enabled device, this thing will work perfect for that. Not to mention, if you check out some of the others, there's Mophie, there's other Belkins that can run you like $60, $50 and something like this. I'm pretty sure this is about half of that. And with the 15% off code that I'm including down in the link, it can't be beat. So check out the description. I've got a link to go buy this thing on Amazon in the description, a 15% off code just for you guys. Also be sure to check out Humixx on their social media pages. They got Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and check them out. Check them out if you're a little leery about buying something that's not Belkin or Samsung or Mophie. And these guys probably save you a little bit of money. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna go charge up my stuff.